dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
That was amazing, sweetie.
Are you ready to spark your elementary students' curiosity and confidence? Lincoln Learning's beginner language courses are designed to make language learning engaging, hands-on, and cross-curricular. In these courses, students build vocabulary and fluency through illustrations and audio-visual elements that reinforce word recognition and pronunciation. Students learn by doing, seeing, speaking, and listening through interactive games, videos, and hands-on projects. This reinforces essential skills involving conversation, reading, and writing.
Joyeux anniversaire, grand-mère.
Beginner language courses blend communication with culture, providing engaging visuals and activities while exploring countries, capitals, and customs. Familiar concepts such as shapes and colors become gateways to deeper cultural understanding, with many lessons tied to real-world celebrations.
Wow, a croissant, merci.
Time-telling activities reinforce math skills, while science meets language as students explore weather and seasons. In beginner language courses, every lesson is a global adventure. Students explore the geography and cultures of global regions, collecting suitcase decals, passport stamps, and other mementos along the way. Empower your students with Lincoln Learning's beginner language courses, where language and culture come alive together.